Hello everyone. This is the part 2 of pronouncing the International Phonetic Alphabet, but today we will gonna pronounce properly the consonants. And once again, I am Josephine Kian Paguti Mamak, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. The first consonant will gonna be pronounced as pit. Number 2, beat. Number 3, teeth. Number 4, dig. Number 5, cap. Number 6, bag. Number 7, mm, mm, jam. Number 8, mm, mm, run. The ninth consonant is pronounced as mm, mm, finger. Number 10, ch, ch, check. Number 11, j, j, judge. Number 12, fish. Number 13, vowel. Number 14, sight. Number 15, z, zai. Number 16, s, s, sit. Number 17 is pronounced as z, z, jazz. Number 18, sh, sh, shop. Number 19, j, j, beach. Number 20, house. Number 21, wa, wa, swap. Number 22, ya, ya, young. Number 20, r, r, rip. Number 24, old, old, lap. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned.